Hello there. Welcome to Ivan's Daily Photo. We are on day 18, and today's post is going to be very straightforward and something that perhaps will encourage you to try at home. And the premises of today is to basically kind of do a series of photographs to show how a particular recipe can be done as far as cooking. And this came about because I was actually I was doing empanadas, which is those of you that are familiar with it, is pocket food. It's very typical in Latin America. And it's something that I really enjoy and loved. So a friend asked, how do you make them? And then I just barely say, I can buy the pre-made patties at the store, and then the stuffing is whatever you want them to be. And once you decide what stuffing you want, all you have to do is just fold it, stuff them, fold them, and then with a fork, piece them, and then keep asking, well, how do I do that? And I say, well, you know what? Let me show you with photos, and I'll text them to you. So the photos that I'm going to use on today the photo of today is a collection of photographs that basically shows how I make empanadas. So let's go. So I hope these photos will inspire you next time somebody asks you for a recipe to use your camera instead of directions. So I started with here, and this is basically I'm putting empanadas together. So I'm putting my stuffing inside. In this particular case, I have veggie meat, which is based on tofu, and I have cheese, olives, and this makes it for a wonderful tasting empanadas. You fold them, and then you just take a fork, and you put them together to make sure that the pocket is closed and ready to go. And then you bake them, and it takes 10 to 15 minutes, about 375 in the oven, and that's it. You're ready to enjoy a beautiful, wonderful meal. Just pick the stuffing that you want, and they are amazing. So that's my picture for today, making empanadas. All right, hope you like it.